I roll up my mat. I roll up my mat. I thank my practice. I thank my practice. I wake my body slowly. I wake my body slowly. I calm my mind. I calm my mind. I rest very still. I rest very still. I lie down flat. I lie down flat. I soften my whole body. I soften my whole body. I release the tension. I release the tension. I deepen the stretch. I deepen the stretch. I curl my spine. I curl my spine. I arch my back. I arch my back. I rock on my back. I rock on my back. I hug my legs. I hug my legs. I pull my knee to my chest. I pull my knee to my chest. I grab my toes. I grab my toes. I flex my feet. I flex my feet. I point my toes. I point my toes. I straighten my legs out. I straighten my legs out. I cross my legs again. I cross my legs again. I lower to the floor. I lower to the floor. I switch to the other side. I switch to the other side. I steady my balance. I steady my balance. I extend one leg out. I extend one leg out. I hold the pose. I hold the pose. I tuck my foot to my knee. I tuck my foot to my knee. I stack my hands overhead. I stack my hands overhead. I balance on my toes. I balance on my toes. I raise both arms out. I raise both arms out. I open my chest. I open my chest. I lift my hips up. I lift my hips up. I push into a plank. I push into a plank. I lunge one leg back. I lunge one leg back. I fold at the hips. I fold at the hips. I bend forward. I bend forward. I reach up high. I reach up high. I plant my feet. I plant my feet. I stand up. I stand up. I twist to the side. I twist to the side. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I warm up my wrists. I warm up my wrists. I roll my neck. I roll my neck. I relax my shoulders. I relax my shoulders. I center myself. I center myself. I breathe deeply. I breathe deeply. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I sit cross-legged. I sit cross-legged. I kneel down. I kneel down. I step onto the mat. I step onto the mat. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I unroll my mat. I unroll my mat. Roll up. Thank. Wake. Calm. Rest. Lie. Soften. Release. Deepen. Curl. Arch. Rock. Hug. Pull. Grab. Flex. Point. Straighten. Cross. Lower. Switch. Steady. Extend. Hold. Tuck. Stack. Balance. Raise. Open. Lift. Push. Lunge. Fold. Bend. Reach. Plant. Stand. Twist. Stretch. Warm up. Roll. Relax. Center. Breathe. Close. Sit. Kneel. Step. Change. unroll.